Christmas season starts today. This is probably enough to make one. So what we have here is our white pine. How big should we make this wreath?
I'm done. Yeah.
Okay. So basically the way you make a wreath is you need a frame, and you can use any wire. So we're just using fencing wire that we have. It's like galvanized type, the tensile. Lay it on, wrap it around. So you need to have it, probably put this in your lap. It's the best way to do it. So what we're gonna do at the end here is we're gonna wrap up underneath our first one. All right, it's your first wreath, give me 5. Yeah! Hey, that's beautiful.
Okay.
There it is. Justice did this with just a little help. You designed it though. I just handed you stuff to wrap into it. What's your favorite thing about it? Anything?
This?
The pattern. It's beautiful, isn't it?
I especially like this spot.
Yeah. I love how you used a lot of the boxwood, and boxwood, I don't know where that is around the country, but it's actually a pretty big commercial plant in this area of the country. Little industry, agricultural industry. So people sell these a lot around here. It's a beautiful plant. And it goes great in wreaths. Beautiful, mixed, wild. You can't find a more beautiful wreath than a homemade wreath like that. So you're hanging it in the barn for now?
Yeah.
It's very nice. At the end of November and the beginning of December, every year we have this birthday bonanza because 3 of us in our immediate family have birthdays. And we usually wait till the last birthday before we start decorating for Christmas. It's just kind of a whirlwind of gifts and parties and stuff, so we just got through that. Today, we're decorating for Christmas and doing some Christmas crafts, getting ready for this coming Christmas season, which we love and enjoy. Tell me what you think about decorating for Christmas.
What I think about it?
Yeah.
Mine's fun. I love Christmas. I love decorating for Christmas. I love Advent. I love all the things. But I always kind of have to wait till after this string of birthdays that we have. And we're done. So now we can do Christmas. And everyone's really excited and need to go outside.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you!
I'm a hot jumper.
What do I think about Christmas?
What's your favorite thing about Christmas? Why do you like it so much? Why do you like it more than like the 4th of July?
I think I love the nostalgia, that feeling you get like when you're a kid. I still get that. I really, really love Advent more than Christmas though as an adult, and celebrating, well, I guess contemplating is a better word, that God became a helpless baby. Obviously there's other church holidays where we can celebrate his death and resurrection and other things, but this time of year I feel so worshipful in the pondering of Advent, God with us. You know, and the Advent's the waiting, but it's the pondering and the waiting. So, and it makes me think too about like Christ coming back one day and the hope that we have in that. So that would be my top thing. But I also love buying presents for people and making presents for people. I love giving people presents.
Wilder! Happy birthday!
We've had so many birthdays lately that he just walks around telling everybody happy birthday, because I think he thinks birthdays are just something you do almost every day. Between our own family and extended family, so many birthdays. He's being a puppy right now. He doesn't speak English and he's puppy.
Jingle bells are jingle bells are jingle jingle jingle.
Come out, please.
Now we're gonna decorate the camper with Christmas lights, or we're gonna try to. I don't really have clips to hold it on to the upper edge, but we're gonna work on it.
one? The tiny little one? There. Papa.
Yes. We're a little late on Advent. We've had a lot going on, but we can still think about the coming of Jesus. Not only as a baby, but his second coming, right?
Yeah.
We missed the first week of Advent, and we're well into the second week. But we're going to go ahead and light 2 candles. 1,000 years ago, on the sun-washed land between the Jordan River and the Mediterranean Sea, everyone here knows where the Mediterranean Sea is from CC. A miraculous story was about to unfold, a story so glorious that to this day we call this land the Holy Land. During this time, most of the people lived
so cute.
in small towns or villages, such as Nazareth, Bethlehem, and Jaffa. The Romans made life hard for the Jews. They treated them harshly, taxed them, and denied them religious freedom. In those hard times, the Jewish people remembered what the prophets had foretold, that someday God would send them a Savior who would deliver them from their oppressors. Before him, "Do not be afraid, Mary," he said. "God is pleased with you, and he has chosen you to be the mother of his son. The child will be called Jesus, Emmanuel, God with us." God came to be with us. Far from one another, 3 kings, Melchior of Arabia, Caspar of Tharsis, and Balthazar of Saba, were each gazing at a star they had never seen before. The 3 kings were called wise men because they spent their days studying the universe. When they consulted their books, they saw that this new star was the sign that a great king was about to be born. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel shall come to thee, O Israel.
It was about 25 degrees out when we got up this morning, and it's warming up pretty fast. It's probably 30 degrees now. First order of business is some hay for the cows. This is my last square bale, and man, square bales are so easy. Look, I just grab it and carry it. We got plenty of hay though. It's just in this giant 1,000-pound block right here. Next order of business is to break some ice. And it's not too thick. There's a bunch of hay in there, but what in the world? The next order of business is, what do I need to get for y'all? Sleds, where are they?
Up in our pasture.
In the pasture, okay. The kids aren't allowed in the pasture with the bull, and they like to sled on this hill. A couple weeks ago when it snowed, and they were sledding on this hill, and of course the sleds are still out here. Where are you headed?
Oh, to a full day of errands and running and a birthday party. Yeah, I'm really excited.
So yeah, have fun.
Yeah, one of my great joys is getting to go to the gym for as long as I want. Have a good day.
See ya.
Enjoy the snow. There's lots to eat for lunch. Oh goodness.
The next order of business is to shrink down the head gate on this milking stand. And when I built this, I probably just honestly like Googled it or read about it in a book. But it's all according to how big your cow's head is, and Alice can actually slip her head out of here with it closed.
I just need to ride down.
You want to try it out? You can try it out. You can jump in there. Not without a reason to, she says. Well, I've got that. think that's a little better. I don't think she can pull out of that now. Which she may not like, but it's better for everyone. It'll probably take her a try or two before she figures out she can't get out. That might be a little stressful because that's like she's gonna have to figure out, oh, I cannot pull my head out of this. So she'll try it today. I think this is actually gonna be perfect though, because there's actually space here. Like, it's not tight on her. I can actually put my hand in between here and here. There's hand's width space, so it's not tight on her neck. But her head won't fit through there, or it shouldn't at least. All right, the steer's kicked out now. As soon as she finishes her grain, she's gonna try to step out of the stanchion, maybe even before, which has become a little bad habit for her. And when you're milking, that's just a disaster. It won't take long to get her trained back to standing, not until the feed is gone, but until I want her to step out and I'm done milking. So, okay, she's probably done. Nope. Okay, she should be done now. I think she's done. She's probably done. Yeah, she's done. All right. Hey, Alice. Did you figure it out that quick? Oh, second try. Third try. It's okay. You can't get out now until I let you out. I know you don't like that. But you'll learn quickly. That's just how it is. Well, I'm happy and a little relieved. There wasn't any fighting or anything. That was it. You saw all of it. Maybe I'm reading too much into this look, but I think this look is, what did you just do? I'm gonna let her out though.
Ow!
That looks beautiful.
Ow! Thank you. Ow! Ow! Look how we saw.
Is it done?
Yeah.
That looks beautiful. That's awesome. Great job.
Thank you.
Is that yummy, Wilder? What does it have on top?
Chocolate and peanut butter. Have some?
Oh my goodness.
Sure. Oh, yes.
Well, guys, that concludes our Christmas holiday beginning. We shared it with you. Hope you enjoyed it. You know, we've got this little snow down here, but we're about to go up 3,000 feet and show you what it's like. It's a winter wonderland. I'm really curious how much it's snowed up there and how much colder it is. So we're headed up to the mountains right now, and that's our next video, so join us tomorrow for that. Anyway, we'll see you then. Bye-bye.